Hello and welcome to the Morning Bulletin. This is Amina and you're watching HW News English. Now it's time to dive into the top stories of the morning. A senior Hezbollah commander, Mohammad Hussein Surur, has been killed by Israel during a strike in Beirut. Israeli Prime Minister Netanyahu has vowed to continue full-force military strikes against Hezbollah until the militant group halts its rocket fire towards Israel. Union Minister and senior BJP leader Nitin Gadkari, while speaking at a media conclave, cleared the air around talks of him being offered the prime ministerial post by an opposition party. Nitin Gadkari said that he does not harbor any such ambitions. He said that when he was offered the PM post, he had asked the opposition party as to why he shouldn't be with the PM. Nitin Gadkari has clarified that becoming PM is not his ambition. The Supreme Court has rejected the Gujarat government's plea, which seeks a review of its verdict in the Bilkis Bano case. The Supreme Court verdict had cancelled the remission granted to 11 men convicted of raping Bilkis Bano and murdering 7 of her family members during the 2002 Gujarat riots. The Gujarat government has challenged certain observations made by the apex court. They have argued that such adverse remarks could not be drawn against the state. Parliament has restructured its standing committees. They have formed 24 key committees which have significant roles to prominent political leaders across party lines. Rahul Gandhi, the leader of opposition in Lok Sabha and senior Congress leader, has been appointed as a member of the Defence Affairs Committee. This committee will be chaired by Radha Mohan Singh, who is a BJP MP. Then talking about some BJP MPs who have been appointed to the committees, Nishikant Dubey has been given the chairmanship of Communications and Information Technology Committee. This committee also has actress turned politician and BJP MP Kangana Ranaut as a member. Well, that's all for the morning bulletin. Till then, keep watching HW News English and download our app News Shorts to get the latest news and updates. Stay ahead with our cutting edge news app. Instantly access the latest shorts in just 1 minute and breaking news in just 50 words. Download now for a smarter, faster news experience.